Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable active noise cancelling on your headphones Beats Studio Plus. To enable ANC, you should hold and press left or right button into your headphones. To check it, open the application, and now I'm press and hold. And here we go, I'm just switched to the noise cancellation. And if I'm doing it again, I will return to transparency mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!